Many people make thousands of dollars online just by leveraging their skills. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to monetize your skills and make money online. Whether big or small, every skills hold values and it shouldn't go to waste. Maybe you can write, maybe a virtual assistant, whatever you are doing, whatever skills you have. This platform I'm about to show you is going to help you monetize your skills and you make money from it. Let's take a look at this person offering to write 500 words of US English. The price he puts down for it is just $15. You can use AI to do this. So I've always hammer and talk a lot about getting a skill, learning something online, learning a skill. There are a lot of skills you can offer on this site. Okay, let's look under their category. You can offer writing, you can offer SEO services, you can offer graphics and design services, programming, AI services, internet marketing, video, e-commerce, virtual assistants. There are different categories under writing. You can write about all these CV. Do you know people that are looking for work? They usually need people that will write CV for them or cover letter writing for services. And you can make $100 per project or even more. What makes this place unique is that you can use AI. Yes, AI can assist you in delivering high quality work while still getting paid. Let's look under their AI services. Let's see what they have. Okay, under this place, I wanted to open AI services, but my hand clicked on internet marketing. So under these places, you can see this person is pricing his services just for $10, and he's having like 2,257 people that paid for his service. Like, this platform has not casted. It is not like Upwork or Fiverr, so you can easily get your skill monetized on this platform. Can you see, create 100 social media profile for brand creation? And do you know what makes this thing easy? If you already have the skill, it is easy for you to get started. And if you don't, you can easily learn to get courses for free on Udemy. Yes, I have a video that you can watch on that. I'm going to be dropping the link below here so you can get started. Your skills are not valid again this year. This is another new year, so you just have to find something doing easily. You can use Canva for this. Let me know in the comment section the skills you have or the skills you are ready to learn. This platform will help you to monetize your skills if you have one. You can say that I said if you have one. If you don't have one, you can learn. It is not too late. Let's check under AI services and see what you can offer. Okay, can you see this one saying ultra realistic AI Instagram model, and it's create AI Instagram influencer. Do you know the funniest thing is that you can easily use AI to do this one, and you get paid easily, and it's having like 5.0. Wow, like the reviews is just 5.0. That's massive. I'll write custom ChatGPT prompt for you. Okay, let's check another one out. You are the one that is not truly, if you are ready to make money online, you can simply just jump on all these AI content. You can do your research and make money. Okay, let's check another one out. Okay, can you see this one? Paraphrase, optimize, okay, see optimize. Okay, this person is going to paraphrase it's going to add more touch to your AI content. Maybe you generated the content from ChatGPT. The person is going to paraphrase it for you and add his own human touch for it to make sense. Let's check another one out. Prompt for promotional video script. Services on this platform can earn you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 monthly if you know what you are doing. You need to sign up. Just go to this three icon here. You'll be seeing, okay, my own is showing this because I've already signed up. So just sign up. You see sign up and login. Just click on sign up. So if you come to this place, you are going to see, you can see my available balance is $0.00. I am putting this out because I have somebody that is making money on this platform, and I feel that there are a lot of people that have skills that they want to monetize and they don't know how. saying buying because when I signed up, I didn't really set up the profile. I'm going to click now on settings. I'll click now on settings. I'll click on account setting. Okay, I'm going to fill up this place. Just fill it up with your country, your address, your state. Then make sure this place is on buying and selling. Then you click on update. So voila, your profile is going to be on buying and selling, not only buying. You can see that my own is just on buying. Managing a group alone self can make you money. Can you see this person is just managing a Facebook group and online community and is making $100 just for managing group? Yeah, if you are under virtual assistant niche, you obviously understand how it works. Another way to learn a skill is by getting my course, the digital income blueprint, and you'll be learning in 2 parts: how to make money part and the skills part. So in that how to make money part, you learn how to make money from surveys, how to publish your book on Apple and make money. Then under the skill part, you'll be learning how you'll be getting a compilation of 50+ video courses on digital marketing. Like, this is what you'll be learning, skills you'll be learning under it, and it's just going for 12,000 naira. So I'll be dropping the link below this video also. So to get started, these results, $309 was made from a book published on Apple. You'll be learning that in the course also. For that survey part, a student of mine sent me this recently because she told me, oh, she was looking for a quick money and she went back to her course to go and watch, and she got this. So she made $5. Can you see what she wrote? Remember, I was looking for quick money. I filled up my profile. I used my country, picked my state, input my address and everything that needs to be there. My account type is on buying and selling, so I'm going to click on update. That's where your profile is. So I'll click on it right now. Then I don't want to click on settings. I'll click on the profile. If you want to create a service, make sure you add your picture because they will not allow you to create a service. I want to create a service. I'm unable to create a service because the profile picture I submitted and my name and everything, it is still in pending. You can see it up here. Your submitted changes are pending for approval. So once they approve my profile, I'll be able to create service. Make sure that if you want to create your service, come to this icon right here. You can go through them. Then you can click on your settings to do account settings. For your service description, you can go to ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT. Let me type it out. Go to chat.openai.com. That's what you are going to type there. And if you type that in, you are going to drop your question for AI. You already know that you're working on writing, so you just ask her, can you help me with a description for my service, for a service I want to render online, and my niche is writing. So when you type this for AI, it's going to give you something. You can shorten it, you can read through it and add whatever you want to add to it and use it in your description. So anything the platform is asking you for, if this is for people that have skills. If you don't have skills, I've already said you should get my the digital income blueprint. You can learn some skills from there. I already said I will drop the link below this video. Watch a video on how to get free courses on Udemy. And for the payments part, we are going to be giving you 2 payments method, which is PayPal and Payoneer. So for the PayPal, I'll be dropping a video on how to open your PayPal account. Then for the Payoneer, actually watch other videos on how to open and add your Payoneer account. So that's all for this platform. And thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.